Hi guys, my name is Robert and welcome to another episode of Ignite Website Marketing. This is your channel where you'll learn SEO, web design, and digital marketing skills that will help you ignite your website marketing. So if you haven't, please subscribe below. I got a lot of great material I'll be releasing this year and you don't want to miss out on that. Today, I want to talk to you about how you can utilize your Google My Business page to get you new leads to your website. So hold on and let's get rolling. So how is it that you can get new leads utilizing your Google My Business? First off, I want to say if you don't have a Google My Business, you definitely want to get one set up for your business, especially if you're a local business, because that is going to help you be found in the local search engine results on Google when someone goes to search for a particular service or restaurant in the area. So definitely, if you don't have a Google My Business, I'd recommend setting one up now. So how can you use your Google My Business to get new leads to your website? Well, there's a lot of ways you can do it. The first thing you can do is get testimonials from your people who've come to do business with you or have visited your restaurant. Because the more testimonials you get, the more that's going to build your social proof as a legit business. And when people are searching through all like the results on Google, they like to read the reviews of what other customers have said. So it's essential that you get good reviews. And if you've had a client or if you had someone who's worked with you and you thought the experience was good, I would just reach out to them and say, hey, thank you. I really like doing business with you. Can you please leave me a review? And sure enough, they'll leave a review. So you want to build these like Google reviews, because that's going to help you rank for a particular, someone's like searching for like a plumber locally or a type of restaurant locally. The more positive reviews that you have on your listing, that is going to help you rank your Google My Business amongst like all the other listings that are currently on the Google My Business. A second thing you can do to utilize the strength of your Google My Business to get new leads is kind of optimize your listing. So like, for the indexing for like key terms and stuff. And I'm not saying stuff your Google listing that's wrong and you can get your listing taken down for that, but add some, when you're talking about your services on, in your listing, like list the name of the service and do a brief description as to like what the service is about. And like in that description, you can add a keyword or two that will just help you, rank for that particular key term for your listing. So that's another thing that's really going to help you your listing be found on Google, and increase the chances of when someone goes in to type in a particular keyword that your listing will pop up. A third thing you can do is add photographs to your listing. Now, photographs are important because it shows you, like people too, that you're a real business. If you had, say you're a restaurant, maybe I would have pictures of your restaurant, pictures of the type of food that you cook at your restaurant, your brand name, logo or whatever on your listing. And you can actually, when you name these images, you can use like key terms, to help optimize those photos on the listing as well. And so yeah, you definitely, for instance, I'm a website designer, so I have pictures of the screenshots of my website, some of my logo designs and graphic design work up on my listing. Therefore, when someone goes to the listing, they see I got this. I have a picture of myself on there, just with my title and everything. So just to give you an idea of what you can do, but that is really going to help you, seem like legit and stand out amongst all the other ones. So there's a lot of listings that I've come across on Google, on the Google My Business, where I haven't seen any photographs, and it seems a bit sketchy when I go on there. So definitely make sure that we add some photos and continue to add them over a period of time. Another thing you can do, there's a section in the listing where you can fill out stuff for the areas that you serve. So if you're in a city, say let's do Detroit, you want to maybe select Detroit, but then you can select all the surrounding metro cities in the Detroit area. So you can do like Ferndale, you can do Dearborn Heights, Farmington, Royal Oak, Novi, Northville, Plymouth, Livonia, Wyandotte. So those are just a list of a bunch of other cities that surround Detroit. So that will also help you, it will show Google that you service that area. And plus, when people see that you service that area, not just Detroit, they're probably going to reach out to you and want to do business with you. So definitely make sure you have that filled out when you're creating your listing. And then another thing, one final thing you can do is build citations and which are directions to your business from different areas and everything. And then put in some key terms in those citations, kind of backlinks pointing to your Google My Business listing. Again, that's going to help you rank in a certain radius, for surrounding cities on Google. The more citations you have, so continue, build local citations, and pretty much it's just like a different pins surrounding with your business name and location, surrounding your business. This shows Google that you provide services in that area, and that's going to help you rank for the in that you're listing in that particular area. It might help a bit, it might not, but it's good to do that, and then add a few back links to your listing that contain a keyword, and that way that's going to help your listing be found on Google. So there you go, guys. Those are some simple ways you can utilize your Google My Business to get more businesses, and just to help you increase the rankings for your Google My Business. So if you found this video to be insightful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe below. I got a lot of great material coming up soon. I will talk to you guys next time. Thank you.